We are Mia and Massi. We live on this beautiful island called Sicily. Join us on our adventures around the island and making and eating local cuisine, on our villa DIYs and on our simple slow living. This is our Sicilian Dolce vita. Venite con noi. Ciao everybody, we are on our way to seeing the white horse on the hill. White Horse Hill. We're on our way to seeing White Horse Hill, which is in a place called Uffington, which is about 25 minutes from where my sister lives. It's of Iron Age, so yeah, so we're gonna go and see it.
Bronze Age.
I thought you said Iron Age.
I said bronze. You took it for iron, maybe.
The Uffington White Horse is a prehistoric hill figure 110 meters long, formed from deep trenches filled with crushed white chalk. The figure is situated on the upper slopes of the White Horse Hill in the English civil parish of Uffington in Oxfordshire. Right. So, Lisa and I have woken up with so many aches and pains. Lisa's got a sore knee. I've got a sore foot since the wedding. I think the shoes.
Said it was planted in the late 1800s.
Wow.
And these two blue sets right down.
So Lisa was telling us about this beautiful tree that was filmed in Robin Hood and all these lovely, we think, and two men just decided to cut it down. Anyway, they've been arrested. Good. I can't believe. How old was it, Lisa? It was planted in the 1800s, that tree. This white horse was created sometime between 1380 and 550 BC during the late Bronze or early Iron Age. So we were both right, Massimo and I. Again, lovely place to come and visit. You pay €2 for 2 hours maybe parking, and then obviously entrance is free. There's a lot of walking to be done. The White Horse from the parking is only about a 15-minute walk. You don't see much, you only see like the edges, which is a bit of a shame, but the countryside is stunning. And there's my sister there. The next day we went back to the same place where my son Luca and Megan got married, and we had breakfast there. It is a golf resort and it's very nice. Charlie!
Yeah?
Hello! I had my favorite egg royale, which is smoked salmon with eggs and hollandaise sauce, and Massi went for a full English. And then for the last evening we had homemade pizzas in my brother-in-law's lovely little pizza oven.
Might be a bit
Pizza chef is eating the pizza.
No, try now. Do something, please.
After 10 days in the UK, we came back to Sicily and we were really looking forward to going back to our own home and spending the rest of the summer there. Yes, we are back. We came back last night. Oh, it's great to be back. Sunshine. And it's not as hot as we imagined, actually. It's quite nice. Went for a nice swim in the pool. I've been obviously unpacking and tidying up a little bit, just dusting and sweeping the floor. And we're in the garden and I've noticed that the almonds are ready to be picked, so I'm gonna go pick them.
So I've noticed that obviously being away for 10 days, if you don't water, things dry up. So this is no joke here. Sicily's a dry country. You give a lot of water and you get a lot of rewards back for it. So yeah, I'm giving a good old soak to everything.
So satisfying. That has to sit in the sun. I leave these in the sun for another week to dry. If you can try get the skin off them. Apparently another 2 little birds have been born, so let's go have a look at these exotic birds.
So I've just had a look now. Long-tailed finches have just had 2 newborns.
Oh, where?
So they're in there. Another 2 newborns in it. You see them? They're there. Yeah, there's one and there's 2.
Oh, yeah, sweet.
One black one, one
Oh
white.
my goodness, how many have we got now?
We're up to 16 now.
It's crazy, eh?
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Anything in here?
There's just eggs in there. They're probably going to be some more born in there.
More. We've got our chicken that has been laying eggs and sitting on them for a good 2 months now, but no chicks have been born. Just a bit strange. And these are all the eggs that they laid while we were away, so we can make plenty of omelette. Okay, so we are going next door to my sister's because she arrives in 2 days' time. So I'm going to open up the house. We're going to get the garden furniture out because the cleaner is coming tomorrow. So she'll need the house nice and, you know, without any furniture in it. So that's what we're going to do now. Hello, girls. Are you happy to see Mommy and Daddy? Yes? They're hot. Anyway, loads of spider webs everywhere. The house has been closed. We're just going to get all the furniture out.
Nothing here but moonlight, raindrops.
got all the garden furniture out. Here we go. Two of the sun lounges. Hello bear. Table and chairs, some deck chairs, and then tomorrow the cleaner will be coming to give it all a good dust and a mop and a clean. It's not dirty, as I said, it's just dusty. Right, perfect.
Nothing like a good plate of pasta, pomodoro, aglio, olio, peperoncino, and un po' di basilico.
You missed it, didn't you, Mas?
Yeah.
Buongiorno. So this morning the cleaner came at about 8:30. She's busy cleaning my sister's house next door. Massimo is cutting the hedge, which hasn't been cut for ages and ages, and it's proving to be quite difficult, but he's managing. I'm giving him a little bit of a hand, but he's doing the majority of the stuff. Another hot day in paradise. Okay, let's take the clean towels over. The lovely cleaning lady has finished and she's done an amazing job. So I'm just going to put the towels in the house, ready for my sister to come tomorrow. Ah, it looks lovely and clean and just ready. Oh, I need to turn off this light over here. It looks perfect for when they come. Turn that one off. Nice. Took down all the plates, cleaned everything. The apartment is looking so clean. I'm really happy with the way that she did this work. I mean, she took 6.5 hours, but really good. Look at that. Right, perfect. I'm so happy. Okay, while we're in the car, I have a few things, or we have a few things that we'd like to share with you. First of all, we have now activated our membership videos. So they're a bit like Patreon, where you have to obviously sign a tier, and then you can see these extra videos, which I usually post midway through the week. So that's one thing new for us.
Yeah, well, that's a new episode to our adventure.
Yeah, absolutely. So obviously that will help us with costs, with filming and what have you not. So if you're interested in that, take a look at that. I have already put up a video, and it's a little chat that we did in England about Ferragosto and what people usually do. Talking of which, we have actually plans to just do absolutely nothing. So dolce far niente, that is on our list, I think.
Why are we not going to do anything? Because Ferragosto actually was for that, to do nothing.
Exactly. Yeah, you're right, Massi. I forgot about that. Maybe we might just go and film something in Ortigia, but if
I've got in my mind to have a barbecue. So
oh yeah, definitely.
we might roast some meat.
And the good thing is, of course, my sister and my brother-in-law and Charlie are coming over tomorrow.
They arrive tomorrow, yeah.
Yeah, they arrive tomorrow, and they'll be here for Ferragosto, so that will be absolutely amazing. So that was one thing we needed to talk to you about. Of course, even Patreon, if you're interested in seeing extra footage for a monthly tier, which starts at a low cost of €3 a month, I think it is. Go to the Patreon page and have a little look at that if you're interested.
There's loads of videos on there that
Yes.
are not on YouTube.
Oh yeah, no, absolutely not. We don't post, or if we do, it's because I'm anticipating something. But I usually do something different for that. Then we have also opened up a Buy Me a Coffee account, and thank you to Shane and Carrie who have already
Cheers, guys. Thanks.
given us their support on that. Thank you so much. So if you're interested in maybe just giving a one-off, whatever the case may be, that would be great.
Yes, it would help us a lot. Obviously, as Maria said, with our filming, basically, we use that money
Yeah.
for cameras, mics, whatever the case may be.
And we need to upgrade our microphones.
We do need an upgrade of microphones, yeah.
Because they are not fantastic microphones. They do the job, but yeah, they are
We
not
need
fantastic.
more quality microphones, basically.
Especially when there's wind. I find that they don't really break the wind. And here we are filming in the car with lots of wind. Anyway, and of course, please guys, if you like what you see, we would love you to subscribe.
Even just leave a comment.
Leave a comment, like, because that helps us too. And thank you so much. We have reached this week
We're on 5,000.
and we are overwhelmed.
Yeah, it's
Great for us.
a great milestone, it is.
Yeah. We're very happy and we're very grateful to all of you who have subscribed.
It just gives us more incentive to make more videos and to
Carry on.
let you enjoy what you see.
Because I mean, I will admit sometimes I wake up in the morning, I say, I don't think I can carry on. It's, sometimes you wake up negative, don't you? But I must say, when I read your comments and when I see that the subscribers increase, it gives me...
It's because of you guys we're carrying on. Yes, absolutely.
I want to carry on. I think,
and
yes,
we do enjoy
it's
it.
worth it.
It is
love it.
great fun.
I do love it, but at times, you do get a bit, you think, I don't know, nobody's following. What am I doing this for? But anyway, right, we're on our way, as I said, to a beautiful stretch of beach. Actually, it's cliffs. And
Yeah, what it is, basically, it's a place called Pillirina.
Pillirina, we have taken you there before.
Yeah, we've been there before, but we love that place so much.
Beautiful.
It's an old, there's war bunkers
Yeah,
from the Second World War.
and there are
But-
also sea, what do you call it? Like sea baths. What will you call it?
Oh, salt
Oh,
baths.
salt baths.
Salt
Not
baths,
sea
yeah.
baths, sorry.
It was an interesting area in the day.
Yeah.
A lot of people, they lived there. There's lots of caves and what have you.
Oh yeah, they also salt, and so it's beautiful.
And they actually clean the salt there to actually produce salt.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's a lovely little place. It's really pretty, as in the cliffs it's got there.
Stunning.
The waters. I'm actually going to do some drone footage today.
So
It's a
we
lovely
were
place
thinking,
to
we were
do
thinking,
drones.
where can we go where we could do a nice drone footage and see the sunset? Pillirina. So anyway, we're on our way, and we might even get a little swim because we've been good today. We've been doing lots of DIY and gardening, and we deserve a break.
Yes,
So,
absolutely.
see you there.
Look at this view. Stunning. Love it here. Let's go for a swim, Mass.
Entri nella stanza, sono tutti stesi, i loro cuori ti hanno visto e si sono arresi. Ti guardo nello specchio e penso, ma come fai? La mente torna indietro al nostro primo incontro, storia, letto fine come in un racconto. Ti dico che sei bella e tu scherzi, ma quando mai? Dove siamo adesso? Nuoto nei tuoi occhi, la parte migliore di me. In volo sul mondo, amanti nello spazio, baci in slow motion sul set. Seguo i tuoi passi ma non ti raggiungo, rallento anche se vorrei volare. Sei calda come un tramonto a luglio, sei il primo bacio che non puoi scordare. E quando tra di noi la tensione sale, mi basta un tuo sorriso per dimenticare.
Okay, so we had a lovely day with my sister, just enjoying the sun, good food and the good company. Massi had to come into Ortigia to speak to somebody, and I've decided to come and have a look at the Madonna that they're going to be taking to the sea. So basically it's the Assumption of the Virgin Mary, and they're celebrating it in this church that I've just arrived at. So let's have a look. Yeah, so I've been waiting here for nearly an hour. Massi's just come back from his meeting and she still hasn't come out, but we're waiting, hopefully any time now. Okay guys, we're going to leave you with this scene of the Madonna on the ship and taken around the port. We hope you've enjoyed this week's video. It was certainly packed with a lot of activities right from the UK down to Sicily. Don't forget to like, subscribe and comment and take a look at the membership. Okay, see you next week with a brand new one. Ciao!